Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us for this year's Cyber Monday sale. This is our biggest sale of the year and the one and only time we offer 25% off both new memberships and account upgrades. It's the perfect time to become a new member or to finally take the leap and upgrade your existing account to a lifetime membership. And because this is such a special occasion, we've gone above and beyond to make sure becoming an Elegant Themes member is the best investment you make all year. In addition to getting our biggest discount of all time on Divi itself, you'll also gain access to our Cyber Monday perks page in the Elegant Themes members area. Here you will find even more amazing Cyber Monday deals from our 25 Cyber Monday partners with the highest percentage off deals they're offering this year. And as if all that were not enough, our design team has created exclusive thank you gifts in the form of landing page layouts, Divi Theme Builder template packs, a WooCommerce product layout pack, and custom Divi headers and footers, all available instantly after purchase and 100% free. To get in on all this Divi amazingness, go to elegantthemes.com/cybermonday or click the link in the video description and become a new member or upgrade your account today. If you are already a lifetime member, feel free to go straight to your members area perks page and enjoy our thank you gifts and partner discounts. In this video, we'll be highlighting our second Cyber Monday Theme Builder Pack. We'll show you how to download it and use it on your own Divi website today. So let's get started. All of the Theme Builder Pack downloads can be found in your members area. To access the downloads, you must first log into the members area with the username and password created when you signed up as a member. Once you are logged in, click the link in the members area menu called Cyber Monday Perks, then scroll down to the Theme Builder Templates perk and click the Download the Pack button. Once the zip file has been downloaded, unzip it. Then open it and then open Black Friday 2020 Theme Builder Pack 2. Here we will see a total of 10 JSON files included. 9 of the files can be used to import each of the templates individually. One of the files, called All Templates, can be used to import the entire pack to your site at once. Importing Theme Builder packs to your website will have an immediate global impact on the design of your entire site. So we recommend that you download a backup of any existing Theme Builder templates on your site before importing the new Theme Builder pack. To download a backup, head on over to Divi Theme Builder and then click the portability icon at the top right of your screen. Give the export file a name, choose to export all templates, and then click Export. If you have a site without any Theme Builder templates, your Theme Builder is empty and ready for a new Theme Builder pack. To import the new Theme Builder pack templates, navigate to Divi Theme Builder. Up here at the top right, we're going to click the portability icon, and now we're going to select the Import tab. Now let's choose our file. You can choose to import individual templates. However, I'm going to upload them all at once by selecting alltemplates.json. Since you don't have any templates currently installed on your site, don't worry about the option to override existing templates. Simply click the Import button. There are 2 templates that are unassigned, as you can tell by the red text. These templates are a second post and product page template included in the pack. If you want to use the second post template on your post instead, you can open the settings on the Post To template. Then assign the template to all posts and save changes. As you can see, post 1 is now unassigned and post 2 is. The same approach applies to product number 2, except for this, you would select all products. If you're interested in learning more about overriding existing assignments or importing them as static layouts, be sure to check out the blog post in the description for an in-depth guide. all for this video. Thanks for tuning in. We hope that you are enjoying our 2020 Cyber Monday deal and all these special prizes, bonus deals, and freebies that come with it. If you haven't taken advantage of it yet, don't wait. This deal won't last long, and it'll be a whole year before anything this good comes around again. Go to elegantthemes.com/Cyber Monday and become a new member or upgrade your account today. To make it even easier, we've put the link in the video description. Don't miss out. It really is the best investment you can make for your website this year. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.